Good evening, YouTube. This is a super short take. This is a 1/32 scale Scalextric. I can't pronounce that. Scalextric slot car. This is an analog slot car, but it is digital plug compatible. And this, I think, might be my new obsession. I have been quietly selling off my HO scale Aurora AFX cars and a couple of my Tycos. I'm keeping most of the Tyco, but I have been selling off my Aurora AFX cars and using that cash to fund a number of 1/32 scale cars. I've got some Scalextric, and I've also got some slot its coming. I've got Group C, I've got Le Mans, I've got British touring cars. Going to be a good collection and assemblage of slot cars, and I'll start acquiring tracks later on in the year. But I don't want to say I'm excited, but I'm a little bit excited. I had decided I was not going to mess with these larger scale cars. That had been my determination for a couple of years now, because of the space required to set up the larger tracks. However, because I'm going to be relocating soon and I will have the opportunity to start from scratch in a new location, might be larger, might be smaller, but the layout will be different, and I'll have the opportunity to do some things relative to track layouts and a semi-permanent track layout space. So I'm prepping ahead of time by going ahead and getting a set of cars, get the cars going, and I'll probably buy a small analog starter set, probably Carrera, and fidget with that for a little while until I'm ready to switch over to a digital, at which point I will switch over to a digital Carrera track, which is larger, but will give me the lane changing and some of the other features that are really cool. And then I will chip these cars to make them compatible with the Carrera digital system, and that will be that. So, get in here, and the thing I like about these cars, pardon the shakiness of the camera, but I'm using the phone today. These cars are big. I mean, relative to an HO scale car, they're big and they're really detailed. As you can see, there are details on this car that you just can't get on an HO scale car. And I also like the fact that there are both modern and historic cars available. So I can go back to the 70s and 80s, and I can also get some modern iron if I want. And I'm going to enjoy these, I think, once I get it all up and running. So this is my McLaren F1 GTR. I have a pair of these, two different liveries, and I have some other cars coming, and I'll debut those soon when I'm ready. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you back here soon, and I'll have more content for you. Bye. Thank you for watching Cocktails and Crankshafts. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon with new content.